Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I review celebrity dolls every Friday, and today I have a very special celebrity doll set to show you. I unboxed them just before I did this video, so I'm going to be showing you the dolls, their accessories, as well as the box that they came in. And they were not removed, as far as I can tell, from the box. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at these. Now, this is also a special series because I'm supporting @Deb's Doll Room for hashtag Go Purple to End Alz for Alzheimer's. And so what better dolls to use for this than Mr. Purple, Donny Osmond, and his sister Marie Osmond. These are 1976 Mattel Donny and Marie Osmond dolls, number 9769. As I said, they were new in the box, had not been opened as far as I can tell. My son got me these dolls several years ago for my birthday, and that's another reason why they're special to me. Here's Marie's shoes. These are the Superstar shoe mold. They're like a jelly style shoe. They're really pliable. They have this fastener where there's a hole on one side and then a little ball on the other side to fasten into. They're very hard to find, and they are almost always with the straps removed here. People cut those straps off and try to sell them. I try not to buy them like that if I can tell what they are in a lot, because I really feel like that's lost the value of the shoes. These shoes are marked Korea, and they're purple, pretty purple shoes. Then we'll show you Marie here. Here is her face mold, her pretty eyes. She's got very dark brown brows, brown eyes, 3 lashes at the top, 3 lashes at the bottom. Her nose is wider than Barbie's. Her face is rounder than Barbie's. And her teeth they're very big, and they have more texture looking to them than a Barbie's teeth. These show the gums and her lips that are a peach color. She's got one arm straight, one arm bent. The bent arm holds the microphone. This is the thing for the microphone that goes through her finger, so it looks like a ring on the outside. It's a really cool way that they made that microphone to fit through the hole on the finger to look like it's a ring. Her dress is super pretty. It's a pastel pink satin bodice with this bright candy color looking pink pointed sheer fabric here. Then her sleeves are pastel pink, that candy pink color, and then purple sheer fabric layers. This is modeled after the dress that she wore on the Donny and Marie Variety Hour television show back in the 1970s. Her belt is attached to the dress. And there's the back. The neckline or the back line dips very low to her waist. She's got a silver metallic snap. Here's more layers to the look in the skirt of the dress, as well as on the front. The pastel pink, the regular pink, then the candy looking pink. I call it candy looking because it's so bright. Sheer purple, and then she's got a layer of purple tricot at the bottom, the final last layer. She's very pretty. Her hair is just past her shoulders. She's got this rubber band still attached here, and the hair plastic that keeps her hair down is still attached. The microphones are silver, and they are embossed with Hong Kong, which is the company that made these dolls, or the country that made these dolls. Now for Donny, we'll have Marie step back a bit and bring Donny forward. Here is his face mold. His hair is black. His eyebrows are very dark brown to black. His eyes are brown with one teeny white dot. And he's also got the gum line here with his teeth, but his teeth aren't as big as his sister's. Look how big her smile is compared to his. A bit of difference there. He's got a satiny jumpsuit on that's polyester. Silver, kind of shiny belt. I can't remember what that fabric is, but it was very popular in the 70s with Barbie dolls. Then he's got this sticker here on the front, silver and purple. He's got silver banding trim around the front of his jumpsuit. The neckline dips below about almost to his waist. He's got the same sheer pastel pink and candy pink trim around his neck, as well as on his sleeves, so that they match. Let me show you the back of this doll. He's got two metal silver snaps that close his jumpsuit, one here and one right where the belt is attached to the jumpsuit. I wanted to show you the markings, if I can see them. No, they must be on the inside of his head. But I will put the markings in the description for these dolls, the head molds, markings for the head and the body. He's also got purple tricot socks on. If I can get this jumpsuit leg to go up, I can show you the top. It's folded in, so he's matching all the way through. He also has one bent arm and one straight arm. The bent arm on both dolls holds the microphone. Their heads turn side to side. They don't move up and down. Arms move up and down, but they don't move in and out. Legs bend at the waist. And these dolls have bend and snap legs. Donny was a huge girl crush back in my days when he came on the market. I didn't have a huge crush on him, but I did like the show. I did like their show very, very much. Here's his shoes. They're a white, flexible, squishy, I guess is what they're called sometimes, loafer mold. I don't see a country on them. Okay, it's on the inside. It says Hong Kong as well. And her shoes, as I said, they said Korea, so there's a difference in their shoes here. So those are the dolls. Now I want to take a moment and show you the box for the dolls. And it's very colorful. It's got a purple background. Now, when I open these dolls, I actually plan to show them to you new in box without the box ever being opened. But what I found is that they were dusty inside. So I wanted to open them and clean them up for you. And it's because over time, this cellophane plastic, you can see right there how I can push it back. It comes unglued, and it had allowed dust to form inside the box. And so I cleaned it all up, and I'm going to glue it after this video so I can put them back in the box. These boxes, you're able to open them because they're not sealed. They just have this tab here at the back that you can open up Here's the front of the box. Here's a graphic of Donny and Marie, a picture of them from the show, wearing the outfits that they wear in the box. It looks like it's autographed, but it's not. That's part of the, I'm pretty sure that's part of just the look of the box, an autographed picture of them. It's not an actual autograph. It says for ages over 3. Copyright Osbro Productions Incorporated, 1976. And then over here on this side it says now appearing, Donny and Marie Osmond, teenage TV celebrities. And then we'll go around to the back. The back has wonderful, colorful graphics all over with some of their cool outfits from the show. These might be the ones that Mattel offers too, because I know that they sold Donny and Marie fashions. I don't have any of those myself, but I'm guessing that they probably included these on the box for purposes of trying to sell the costumes. It says, catch the razzle dazzle of Donny and Marie. Yes, collect these glamorous costumes, each sold separately. Here's some of Marie's costumes. Fur coat, it looks like. A beautiful dress. That's an ice skating outfit. Then she's got these gaucho type pants with boots and some roses. And then here they are in yellow at the bottom. Donny and Marie in matching yellow and black outfits. Says here also, join the Donny and Marie fan club, application inside. Now the application was not inside, so this box has probably been previously opened. Here's Donny and Marie in this pretty pink and purple. Looks like his vest has some purple in it. There's their microphones again. Then they've got these South American or Brazil looking colorful costumes on. That's very pretty. I love those costumes. Then over here, there's the number again, 9769, Donny and Marie, the Mattel logo. And then here they are in another costume, blue and white. And in this one, Marie has a parasol or an umbrella. Here's some of their band back here with the TV camera. I don't know if they came with a play set. Looks like that band member who's playing the drums could be one of the Osmonds. I'm not sure. And then here's a graphic of them in their original outfits that they wear in the box. Down here it says, have fun with Donny and Marie dolls in their own TV show playset. Yes, they have a playset. Now that drummer could be in the cardboard graphics. I'm not positive. It says with play, TV camera, piano, guitar, dressing rooms, lights. Playset sold separately. So that's it for my Donny and Marie dolls. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope that you check out Deb's Doll Room and support her at Deb's Doll Room. Hashtag Go Purple to End Alz. Her father had Alzheimer's and struggled with that. And you can check out her channel to find out her story on that. My father passed away several years ago. He did not have Alzheimer's. He had Parkinson's disease and dementia with similar symptoms to that of Alzheimer's. So I definitely wanted to support Deb's Doll Room in this effort for July Awareness Month for Alzheimer's. And if you would like to do that, check out her channel and post a doll video of your own with the purple dolls and the hashtag Go Purple to End Alz. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my Donny and Marie dolls. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.